sister-in-law, which means he's probably banged her too. Tracy Tweed, everybody!
I want to say it's time that I set the record straight. You know, the whole thing about the marriage thing. Gene didn't marry Shannon. Shannon wants to marry Gene. But, you know, my sister, you know, isn't with Gene for the money. She's with him because he has a load of money. So that's what keeps you together after all that time. Now, they asked me to say a few words about Gene and Shannon, and I thought, what better words than those that have been floating around my head for, let's say, 24 years? The wedding toast.
Oh, yeah.
The beautiful bride and groom, please stand and join me. Thank you. So we are gathered here today to celebrate the love between Shannon and Gene Tweed. First, I would like to thank Rabbi Paul Stanley for the nuptials. I think we were all brought to tears when he said those special words. No place for hiding, baby. No place to run. You pull the trigger on that. Love God! While I was standing beside the glowing bride under the handsome kiss chuppah, I couldn't help but see Gene's mother, Florence, cavilling with pride over this beautiful union. It was clear that she knows that she's not only losing a son, but she's gaining a shiksa. Now, let's all raise our glasses. The beautiful bride and the handsome groom. Now, Gene, in the great tradition of the Jewish people, and to make your mother, Florence, proud, I ask you to signify your devotion to Shannon by smashing this Kiss collectible glass.
No. That's $15.
Next on the Gene Simmons Roll.